हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 12 स्पेशल इंग्लिश। जो हमने पढ़ा था चैप्टर लेसन 7 द प्रेयर ऑफ माय डॉटर। ठीक है, जो हमने पढ़ा था उसके आज हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेम हाउ द स्टॉर्म आउटसाइड रिलीफ इन द पोएट माइंड। द वेदर आउटसाइड इज अ रिलीफ ऑफ अ पोएट इनसाइड द फीलिंग एंड फेयर। द पोएम a prayer of my daughter is a personal poem, but we can understand poet mind and closely reading and the earlier work, the second coming, will the east ancient in the gloom of the um, doom, which will be enough in the future year. The poem is set in the post-world war time, so the real devastation is the symbolism of the terrible violet and fantasy storm, and there is also refer is Irish war, and through the poem is indication the storm rising, the Atlantic, the external onset is a concentration of the poet internal turmoil. इसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू द वर्ल्ड द फ्यूचर ईयर हैड कम सिम्बलाइज द पोएम। ठीक है, द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द फ्यूचर ऑफ द ईयर हैज़ कम सिम्बलाइज is in vision about the coming day and time. The poet uses of had come draw our attention that the future has or already characterized had the certain words and condition in the present time, even the future vision by east and approximately the day of future and the fuel violet and the bloodist and had the emerged from the murderous innocent of the sea. The future is arrived, the certain had the time and will be harder with coming time. ठीक, next question है, what is the poet opinion about overmuch beauty? Does he want his daughter to process it? The poet opinion about overmuch beauty is not positive. He wants his daughter to be beautiful but should not possess excessive beauty. He doesn't want to daughter to turn into a paragon beauty east in the belief that too much beauty is dragonous and it will not only distance trend but only also bore a negative outcome, and his daughter who will spend most of the time looking the passing herself an extremely beautiful woman, because beautiful and are filled with pride and arrogance, such as woman forget the nature kindness and reject signs the lover. We find an implicit reference of the mute gone.